Welcome, friends. Did you know that there is an international currency that you can never keep in your wallet, yet countries use it during financial crisis? That is SDR. So we will understand SDR in few minutes. And able to know, is SDR a real currency? Most students get this question wrong in exams. So when countries run out of dollars, who helps them? The answer is SDR. So if this explanation made SDR easy to understand, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Now we answer what is SDR. SDR is the special drawing right is an interest-bearing international reserve asset by IMF in 1969 to supplement the official reserves of its member countries. It is not a currency and cannot be used to buy things directly. Instead, it represents a potential claim on the freely usable currencies of IMF members, providing countries with a source of liquidity. The SDR's value is based on a basket of 5 major currencies, which are US dollar, euro, Chinese yen, renminbi. Now it has been changed to renminbi, Japanese yen, and British pound sterling. Its value is set daily using fixed currency amounts and market exchange rates. So it is not fixed. SDR also serves as a IMS unit of account. How is the SDR quota fixed? The SDR quota for each country is directly tied to IMF quota, which broadly reflects countries' relative position in global economy. The quota is fixed through following process. First is quota formula. The IMF uses to assess members' relative economic positions, considering variables like GDP, blending market rates and purchasing power parity, openness, economic variability, and international reserves. The current formula was agreed upon 2008. General quota review. The IMF Board of Governors conducts general reviews of quotas at least every 5 years. These reviews assess the adequacy of overall quota and allow for increases to reflect changes in members' relative economic positions. If it rises, then quota increases. Approval and consent. Any change in quota require approval by 85% of the total voting power, and members' own quota cannot be changed without its consent. Once the IMF quota is fixed, SDR are allocated to members' countries in proportion to their IMF quota. Current SDR seen is like this. Total allocation is SDR 660.7 billion, equivalent to US dollar 943 billion. This includes largest ever allocation of about SDR 456 billion approved on August 2, 2021 to help countries cope with impact of COVID-19 pandemic. Exchange rate and interest rate as of July 31, 2025, one SDR is equal to $1.35491. The average SDR interest rate for 3 months ended July 31, 2025 was 2.970%. The SDR interest rate is calculated weekly based on weighted average of representative interest rates on short-term government debt in the money market of SDR basket currencies.